Hello everyone, I am Orko. You are watching TechnoBroSA, and in today's video I am going to talk about a latest upcoming smartphone from Realme that is going to be a tough competition for other smartphone brands under the mid-range price segment. I am talking about the Realme 7 Pro. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Subscribe to TechnoBroSA and don't forget that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
So now let's talk about its specifications. So talking about its display, it is going to have a 6.67 inches of screen size with IPS LCD display and with dual punch hole cutout at the front. It is going to have a side mounted fingerprint sensor, and most importantly it will have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now performance wise, this smartphone is going to be quite good because it is going to have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, which is a gaming chipset and which will give you a smooth gaming experience. And also within this price range, it is quite impressive from Realme. And its base variant is going to feature 6GB of RAM with 64GB of external storage, which is expandable up to 256GB. Now talking about its camera specifications, it is going to have a quad camera setup with 64MP of primary lens, 12MP ultra wide lens, 8MP telephoto lens and 2MP depth sensor. And at the front it is going to have a 16MP primary selfie camera and 12MP ultra wide lens. Also, it is going to have a massive battery of about 6000 mAh and also with quick charge support. So overall, this phone is going to be a blockbuster smartphone from Realme. This is a competition for other smartphones under this price range. Now talking about the two most important segments, that is the launch date and the price of this product. So talking about the launch date of this product, it is going to be launched on the 1st of September and the expected price is somewhere around 18,000 rupees. This is not the official price, this is the expected price, and if this turns out to be the original price of this smartphone, then this smartphone is going to be quite popular. Now it's turn for my opinion. So why should you buy this smartphone and why should you not? So you should buy this smartphone because it is going to give you a smooth gaming experience. It is having a gaming processor. Also battery wise, it is going to give you a good battery experience for up to 2 days with average to daily work. And also camera wise, it is also quite good because its primary sensor is going to have 64MP of primary sensor, which is actually good. And also on the front it will have a dual punch hole cutout of a 16MP primary lens, which is actually quite impressive. So there are lots and lots of reasons to buy this smartphone, but I could not find a single reason to why not to buy this smartphone, and also within this price range. So if you are willing to buy this smartphone, then I can tell you that go for it because this is going to be the best smartphone under the 20,000 price segment. So if you guys like the video, do drop a big fat thumbs up, and if you are new here, do subscribe to our channel TechnoBroSA to never miss any new daily tech update. So this was it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.